So hey guys, welcome back to another video. And so if you guys here, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix slime. So let's get to it. So see, this is what the container should look like if you have too much detergent. See, I'm gonna put them all into one thing, and cornstarch, and you need lotion. Actually, I'm gonna get the lotion. I'll be right back. So you just need the slime, which should look really disgusting. It looks terrible, to be honest. I don't like the slime at all. Look, your fingers all wet and disgusting. I'm sorry if you guys can't see me. So everything you need for this, like I said, is cornstarch and lotion. I have no idea. Oh yeah. And lotion. Okay, let's get to it. And I'm sorry if you guys can't see me. I'm sorry. I hope you guys can see me. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna start off with some cornstarch. So I want you guys. I'm gonna tell you use something. Sorry. Sorry guys. Okay. So make sure you have slime. Honestly. Okay, make sure that you have cornstarch. You have to have cornstarch. Oh, and also make sure that you use. That's not what I was gonna say. I just made that up because I had forgotten. That's something that you guys do. And you can tell. I'm telling you, cornstarch is gonna get all over the place. Okay, so okay. So see, I have the cornstarch right there, and it's a lot of cornstarch. See. I'm so sorry guys, this is bad. But you can see. I'ma just do this. I hope you guys can see me. If you can't, and I'll show you I'll have to refilm it. And I don't know, I'm just gonna have to mess up some slime or something. So I'm gonna mix it. I hope you guys can at least see something. But it's not my face, so at least see my belly or something. I don't know. Okay. And so I'm working with. I hate working with broken slime technically because it's disgusting and stuff. I hate it. So let's spread this out. And I'm gonna leave my other slime chilling and the cornstarch. Okay, so here's the purple slime. I'm mixing it with the cornstarch. See, it comes from it doesn't. It makes it not sticky. Hope you can see. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I put it like this. I'm gonna have to